Welcome to the YouTube channel for Devious Darlings Boutique. My name is Rebecca, and in today's video we are going to create this look using Kat Von D's 10th anniversary palette. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the look. Okay, so as you can see, I have already primed my face and we can jump right into the look using this beautiful palette by Kat Von D, her 10th anniversary collection. So we are going to start off the look using Nancy as our transition color, Alice in the corner, Melanie along the brow bone, Lala, this beautiful green that I've been dying to get into on the lid, and then we're going to blow out the bottom lash line using Malice and Ashley. So let's get started. So I didn't mention this before, but I actually did this look yesterday for you guys, but I screwed up and deleted the entire video. So this is round two. We're going to start using the Luxie 249 brush that I received in my Ipsy glam bag not long ago. I want to say just a month or so ago, and we're going to use Nancy on the crease, our transition color. Okay, and then once you've got that color on, we are going to flip this same 249 brush over and use this side and go into Adele. And now with this color, we want it to hit the outside corner here as well. So we're kind of bringing it on the outside corner in a bit of a diagonal and then up to about here, just inside, right in that crease basically is where you're trying to go. And then blend it just a little bit, pull just a little bit of that color over. We are going to blend this out here in a moment, so we're just trying to get the color laid down here. Okay, and so once you have the color down exactly where you want it, you want to flip that brush back over, and we're going to blend all of those together. Now I will be dipping back and forth between the two colors, Nancy and Adele, as I'm blending this out. You just basically want to get it so that it's nice and blended. There's no harsh lines. We're keeping the dark on this corner here and blending those two, Nancy and Adele, together. Okay, and once you have those two colors blended out to the way that you want, we are going to pick up this, it's a medium eye shader brush, but I like to use this brush along my brow bone. And then this is where we're going to pick up that Melanie and blend that along the top. Now, as you can see, mine is already white because I have been lately using the Smashbox white lid primer. I like this because I find that it makes my colors pop, so we always have to go in there to clean this up and get the last of that white out. So we're going to do that with Melanie and blend those colors, blend Melanie and Nancy together. And then once more, we'll pick up our blending brush, pick up some more Nancy here, and just blend those two colors back in. Okay, so now we are ready to start doing the mobile lid area. I like to use a concealer brush and my Makeup Forever full cover concealer and cut out that crease. A lot of people do that nowadays, and I also find that it makes the color pop. It kind of stops that muddying of that line, kind of cleans up that edge there a little bit. So you just want to cut out your mobile lid wherever you want your green to go. I'll be taking mine roughly over to there. Also, don't worry if your line isn't perfect. We aren't doing a precise cut crease here. We're just putting down some color so that we know where we're going to put Layla. Sorry, so that we know where we're going to put Lala. Okay, so once you have your concealer down and it is dry, we're going to pick up a color packing brush. Now, I like to use this concealer brush by Still as my color packing brush. I really like the brush part of it. I feel like it picks up a lot of color and really gets into the corners that I want it to get into. So now we're going to pick up that beautiful Lala color and get that onto our eyes. Okay, and once you have the green all over the lid there where all of the concealer was before, then we're going to go back in with that same brush that we used for Adele, the same side that we used for the Adele, and we're just going to blend those two lines together. Okay, and then once the Adele is pulled over so that we don't have a harsh line there anymore, we're going to go back in again with Lala and pull that over top because it's the green color that we really want to shine. Okay, and then one final blend with the same blending brush just to try to clean up this line here so it's not so harsh. Okay, so we are going to stop here for now so that I can go ahead and do the rest of my face, and we will be right back so that we can blow out that lower lash line. All right, and so now we are back and I have finished my base, so we can go ahead and start blowing out that bottom lash line. Now we are going to use Malice and Ashley to do that. And we are going to start with Malice on this Tightline eyeliner brush by Sephora. It is the number 32 Pro Tightline eyeliner. Now I don't use it as an eyeliner brush, I use it to tightline my eyeshadow, and we're just going to get right up in there. Okay, and so once we've got both of the eyes done there, then we want to grab our smudge brush, which is the 29 Pro Precision Smudge Brush by Sephora. Looks like that, and we are going to pick up Ashley and smoke out underneath Malice. Okay, so I am just going to step away really quick so I can put on my mascara and liner as well as a quick lip, and we will be right back with the finished look. Okay, and so there it is, the finished look using Kat Von D's 10th anniversary palette. Hopefully you guys had fun watching me create this look for you today. I do have a lot of looks planned out with this palette. I do want to use each color within this palette at least once in my future videos. So if you are a fan of Kat Von D makeup and you want to see all of the different ways you can use this palette, then please like this video and subscribe us so that you can see those future videos. As well, you can find me on Instagram at Devious Darlings Rebecca, and I will link that account below along with listing all of the different products that I did use in today's video. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hopefully we'll see you again in the future.